April 25th, I'm in Block A at the Mississippi River Valley Vineyard. Today I'm going to be shoot thinning. Let me turn this around so that you can first check out that shirt. I want to show you my great grapes, and this is going to be a crop this year. I'm hoping to get about 4,000 pounds of grapes. Got a lot of varieties here. I had 2 Concords die. A couple others I thought were dead, but they got a few shoots coming out of the bottom. Maybe they might make it, I hope. This is one of them right here, so we'll see. But shoot thinning these is going to be tricky. This is our first year to train them, and if you could see this from the sky, it's a capital H. This is a modified Munson system. And if you look, this outside wire right here, there's nothing on it. These grapes will grow up, out, and over this outside wire and hang down. And then all of the grapes, the idea with the Modified Munson is it's a split system. All the grapes will be hanging right here and close to the top of the trellis. And then in between these 2 capital H's over here, this will all be empty, open. So sunlight will be able to penetrate down through the center of this canopy. And all the grapes at the top is more even ripening, more airflow. They'll catch spray better. Look at the grapes starting on these things. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to thin a lot of these off. These are only 3-year-old grapes. They can't handle 100% crop this year. So I'm thinking about 80%, but everybody shoot thins differently. The idea of shoot thinning is to leave a gap between your nodes. And that's what I've got. It's beautiful. It's a good thing. But if I have more than one coming off, that's a problem. Now, this is a no count bud, a basal bud coming off right here. I will pinch that off, but I'm not going to yet, because we could have some bad storms, hail. Some of these might break off on their own. At this point in their life, they're real easy to break off. That's kind of why we shoot thin right now. You don't need pruners. It makes it really nice. But wind breaks them off real easy and everything else too. So instead of completely thinning them out right now, I'm going to leave 2, maybe even 3 spurs, shoots growing up from each node. That way, if something breaks off, I'll still have one, and I can go back later. I'll be coming here for the next, probably, well, all summer long, but not every day, looking at them. And when they start getting tougher, then I'll cut back on how many I'm going to let them have. I'm only going to let them have 1, and I'll pick the strongest one. But I want one that's growing up and out. Any of them that are growing back towards there, today I'm pinching off. So this is the first round of shoot thinning. I don't know how many it'll take. Probably a lot, but that's the plan.